Here's how to remove a contact photo and poster on your iPhone. Now, the first step, you can open up the phone app. I find it's easier than opening up the contacts app. So within here in the phone app, you can see contacts. Just tap on that. And let's navigate to somebody's contact that we wanted to remove that photo. Let's say this contact. I can remove either their profile picture that pops up when they text or email me or call me, and then I can also remove their poster. So tap on the edit button, and then right under their profile picture, tap on edit again. You'll be able to see if I tap on it or tap on customize, there's no delete option just to delete out that photo. For whatever reason, Apple decided to basically make it this way that you need to choose something, but you can just choose monogram instead. Keep in mind, this is the default whenever you add a contact, is just the monogram, and essentially it just has their initials for their name. So you can just hit choose and then go to poster. And then you can also just go down and choose monogram and hit done. Now just hit the check mark and you can choose one or the other. And just like that, you have removed their old contact photo and just replaced it with a monogram. You'll be able to see if I go to recents here, similar to Trevor Android here is just a monogram TA. It doesn't have a photo or anything like that. You've just set it up like that.